Have you got a VW engine that struggles when you take off? Or worse, stalls? You've tuned the carb, adjusted the timing, and even yelled at it in German.
Schweinhund.
And it still runs like rubbish. Yep, been there. Here's the thing. Your carburetor and distributor aren't just separate parts. They work together to control fuel and spark. And if they're not matched, even slightly, your engine's going to let you know. Maybe you've heard of terms like 34 pict 3, SVDA, or a 009. Or maybe that sounds like a secret VW code. Either way, we'll break it down, one nibble at a time. I made this series to help you fix those frustrating issues. Short, clear videos with just what you need to know. No fluff, no filler, no 45-minute ramble. Start from the top, or pick your bite, and we'll nibble through this together. Got a weird issue, or a burning question you want us to cover? Drop it in the comments. And while you're there, let yourself subscribe, and give it a like. Share it with a mate. Stitch it to your overalls. Every little action helps us keep these nibbles coming. Thanks for being part of the garage.